Now, wouldn't you know it, because it's autumn and it's raining and cloudy a lot of the time, the ground's mushy. And I ended up getting another motor for the second mech, which is in progress, I guess. And I got so excited I swapped the wheels onto the other snowblower and forgot to swap them back. So today we're going to be changing Marduk's wheels back to some nice knobbly ones so she can grip the ground and stop sliding around in the mud. So let's get to it. Now here are the original wheels, well, the ones I've been using most of the time, and these are the ones that originally went with the snowblower. Now the reason why I'm using these wheels and not treads for the snowblowers, because those kits cost about $500 each. So, and I'm working on a budget. If anyone wants to give me $500, hint hint. Anyway, it's kind of like changing the tire on a car. You put your jack underneath. The way it's all mushy, you don't really have to worry about it rolling away on us. We jack it up. And because these wheels are bigger, we want to make sure this is off the ground quite a bit. There we go. Undo the string, pull it out. And there we go. Roll the wheel away. Plop the new one on there just like so. There we go. Try to line the holes and insert the pin. Easy. And now to the other side. Get out of here. There we go. Nothing to it. Now the mech should be able to go on all this mud a lot easier. So, if you do enjoy my content, like and subscribe, share it with others, maybe put something down in the Patreon below, and remember, only use the good tires on your mech. Bye.